Clone a Bitbucket repository in Visual Studio Code. Follow these steps. Install Git. Ensure Git is installed on your machine. Download it from gitscm.com if necessary. Open VS Code. Launch Visual Studio Code. Open Command Palette. Press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Clone repository. Type git clone in the command palette and select it. Alternatively, click on the source control icon in the sidebar and then click Clone Repository. Enter repository URL. Paste the URL of your Bitbucket repository. You can find this URL on the repository page in Bitbucket, usually under a clone button. Make sure to use the HTTPS or SSH URL based on your setup. Choose local directory. Select the local directory where you want to clone the repository. VS Code will create a new folder for the repository and clone the content there. Open Clone Repository. Once cloning is complete, VS Code will prompt you to open the cloned repository. Click Open to start working on your project. Authenticate. If prompted, enter your Bitbucket credentials or configure SSH keys if using the SSH URL.